Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a Markdown to PDF editor inside React.js, and we have used Astro, which is a static site generator web application framework. So we are running this application on localhost. It's a Markdown to PDF generator web application. So on the left hand side you will paste your Markdown, and on the right hand side it will be shown with live preview as well, and then we have the option to actually export this markdown to PDF. If you click this, it will actually use the Puppeteer library and export all the markdown into PDF, and a PDF file will get downloaded automatically. It's actually generating the screenshot. So you basically download, so automatically you will see the PDF file get downloaded. So everything, as you see, the markdown is successfully exported to PDF. So this is actually the React Astro application. We are using the latest version of React, and Astro, as you all know, it's a static site generator framework. This is the full directory structure of the project, and for building this we are also using Puppeteer library as well. So we are running this application locally. So if you need the source code of this application, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the source code. After you purchase it, you will get the source code from Google Drive automatically. So all the files, as you can see, are coded directly in TypeScript, so it's fully customizable. So it's actually a full stack application, and it's actually using this very famous framework, Astro, which is a really popular framework for actually building static websites. So we are actually using this Astro framework, and also we are using Puppeteer library for actually converting your markdown into PDF using automation. So it's actually an open source library. So right here on the left hand side, it's actually a fully fleshed editor. You can even open a markdown file as well. If you have a markdown file, you can open that markdown file, and after that again it will show the live preview, or you can simply paste a bunch of markdown text containing images, text, heading, code, everything. So right on the right hand side you will see everything will be exported to the PDF, and again you click and it will again use the Puppeteer library. So again everything will be exported, you will see that. So this is actually the editor, you will see that. So every markdown that you paste right here, it is actually exported to PDF. You also have split view as well, or you can change it to editor only. It will also show you the live preview side by side, and it's actually is a Astro. Use the latest version of Astro, which is a static framework. We have also used Puppeteer. And if you still face any issues after payment, you can contact me in running or deploying the application. It's easy for you to run this locally by simply running the command npm run dev. So this will start the local development server. And now if you also want to deploy this application as well, so we have the command here, which is npm run build. So this will actually build out this entire static application. So you just need to run this command here, npm run build. So it will compile everything into a single folder, so that it will be easy for you to deploy this application. So this is actually the backend code which is located in the API folder. So right here we are generating PDF. We are using this Puppeteer library, as you can see. We are using API route from Astro, which is a static framework. So here we are defining this API route to actually generate the PDF file here as soon as you convert your markdown. So npm run build. So this will build out the entire Astro application. So the link is given in the description. This is a fully fledged project, Markdown to PDF editor. Directly we have coded this in Astro, which is a popular framework for building static websites. So if you're interested in this project, the link is given in the description. Running this is very simple. Locally, simply run the command. All these commands are predefined right here. So application will get started right here. And the left hand side you will see the markdown, and on the right hand side you will see the PDF file. So this is actually the project. If you are interested, you can purchase